guys, welcome back to my channel. What's good? What's really good? It's me, Priscilla, and today I'm gonna be doing something really different. I'm gonna be tinting my freaking eyebrows. I'm so nervous, but I wanted to do this on camera just to see if it goes well. Maybe I can help somebody out who has like light eyebrows like me. So I'm gonna be tinting my eyebrows with the Just for Men mustache and beard dye, and I'm using M50, which is darkest brown. This is how it looks like. So I'll be doing that, and I'm praying that this goes well. My makeup is done a little bit something like really simple, everyday thingy, but my eyebrows are not filled in. These are my natural eyebrows. As you can see, they're really light. They don't have like really much to them. So I want to make them darker and I want to make them nicer. So yeah, hopefully this will achieve that for me. All right, let's get into it, the video. So first I'm gonna open this. I'm like really nervous, y'all. I watched a lot of videos before I did this. What I'm more scared of is knowing if I got the right color or not, because I don't want my eyebrows to be too dark, because my eyebrows are actually like a light brown. They're not black like most dark-skinned females like me. They're not black. So I'm kind of scared that it might be too dark. And like, what happens if it gets like too dark? What am I gonna do? But I'm gonna think positive. So I think positive, maybe everything will just work out totally well. But yeah, so it comes with this brush, but I'm not gonna use this. I'm actually gonna use one of my pointer brushes to get a more get more precision. You can use an angle brush too, but my angle brush is kind of dirty, so I didn't want to use that. But so this is the brush I will be using. And then it comes with the color base, and then it comes with the developer. So I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, and I want to do this as quick as possible. I did watch videos, so I know like kind of what to do. So then you need your brush, you need the color, and then you need your concealer. And the concealer is just to make sure that you don't go outside of your brows. So you'll use your concealer like you're cleaning up your eyebrows when you're done filling them in, so you don't go outside of it and you just get that portion. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I actually want to use my angle brush for this. You can use whatever concealer, whatever you use on a regular day. I'm gonna use my LA Pro Girl because that's what I use. Oh Lord, I'm so nervous. I can't breathe. Okay. And like you kind of like clean it up in a way that you want your shape to be, because it'll just make it easier. Because my other eyebrow, this eyebrow and this eyebrow are definitely fraternal twins. They do not match at all. I have more of an arch on here, and then this is just like a curve, which is so annoying. So I'm gonna try to make them as close to twins, to identical twins as possible. Alright, so as you can see, I've cleaned up my eyebrows. This is my left one, this is my right one. If it can come out with this shape or whatever, I'll be set, okay? So I'm gonna grab the mixing bowl. This is what they call the mixing bowl. And then I'm gonna grab the developer. Go like this. Just that. I don't think I need too much. This is my eyebrows, and this is made for like beard and mustaches, but I don't need that much. And it has to be in equal parts, they say. So as much developer you put as much dye. So I'm gonna just put it on the side, just like that. So you can see, and then I can always add more if I need some more, because these you can actually reuse, and they said up to 3 months. So we'll see. And then I'm just gonna be mixing. They said to use the end of the bristle brush that they gave us to mix it. I want this to be perfect, because if it's not perfect, then I'm effed. Effed, I say effed. Because once you mess up your brows, honey, oh my gosh, you are done for. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look like a lot, but I think it'll be okay. This is the color. I do know it gets darker, so yeah. I'm gonna start applying this now. I'm pretty scared, y'all. I'm so scared. I'm just going to start off with the mix that's on the tip of the bristle so I don't waste anything. And then the videos that I watched said to start off on the tail, since the tail is where you want your eyebrows to be darker. Lord Jesus, please let this go well. Please let this go well. Ooh. I'm just gently putting it on. I can see that it's already getting darker. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Oh gosh. Okay. Ooh, it kind of stings a little bit. I'm not sure if that's normal. But it stings. Just a little bit. It's not unbearable, but it stings. They say to do a patch test with this to see if you get a reaction, but honestly, people really be doing, ooh, it's getting dark. Look at that. I don't think people really be doing a patch test. It just be going in. I'm gonna be careful when it gets to the front because I don't want my front to be harsh. Like, I'm not adding too much. I'm not going back dipping or some more when I get to my front. Because honestly, I don't have hair on my front like that. I'm gonna do this side. Ooh, look how dark that is. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Alright. There's that. Oh Lord. Oh my lantern. Holy mackerel. Okay. So the box says to wait 5 minutes. But I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. That's what people have been doing. So after the 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back and then wipe this off and just see the results. I hope it's good because this looks so crazy. Whew. Wish me luck, y'all. 5 minutes. Be right back. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. I got my wet paper towel. I'm gonna wipe it off now. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna wipe this off first since I did this eyebrow first. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so scared. Okay. They said it was better to use a towel. I don't have a towel that I could use at the moment. Okay. I think my eyebrows got darker. I know they for sure got a more defined shape. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. This looks boxy right here. Oh my gosh. One thing I don't want is boxy brows. Jesus Christ. I think I look crazy. I definitely look crazy. Alright, so this is the outcome of my brows. Let me zoom in. I feel like I would actually go darker than this. But for some reason, I don't really see a difference. I really don't. I really want to go darker than this. I'm not sure if I should use this because look how black it is. I really want to go darker. Just like one more coating. I can go one shade darker, guys. I think I'm gonna do it. To be on the safe side, I'm gonna just make another batch, like a smaller batch, because honestly, you don't even need that much for real. You really don't. And this can last you a minute. Oh my gosh, I just thank God I don't have to go to the shop and pay someone $20-$40 to do something like this, especially if I can do it at home. So I'm a very frugal lady. I like to save my coins, especially if I can do it myself. Okay, that's why I learned to do my hair. Like make wigs and stuff. So if I can do this by myself, I would definitely be very appreciative. This was only $8 for the package, so imagine paying $8 versus $20, $40. And people be going insane with it and probably charge even more. Probably charge more because it may last longer. Because I feel if I do one more coat, then it will be perfect. It will be the perfect shade that I want. This is not bad. It's just still very light to me. So this is the final product. Let me see how it looks like when I clean it up. I think it will look better when I clean it up. Okay. Wow. It looks like I freaking filled in my brows. Wow. Are you serious? This looks amazing. Eyebrow tinting for $20, $40. Who? Wowzers. This is my favorite eyebrow. And then this one still looks good too. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Let me add some gloss. Let me a little popping. It is 12:05 at midnight. Okay. But wow. This turned out really well. I'm really happy that I don't look crazy, okay? Oh my gosh. Alright, that's the end of the video. I'm so happy that this worked out, and I would really suggest this for everybody to get the Just for Men mustache and beard dye. I use M50 dark brown. It was $8. I got mine at Walgreens, but I think you can get yours at Target, at Walmart, even on Amazon. So you get tinted eyebrows in 10 minutes. Okay, and I'm just really happy on how this turned out, because filling my eyebrows, it takes me 10 minutes to fill in my eyebrows, and this looks more natural. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that's my video. If you like this video, please like this video. Please comment down below what I should do, and subscribe to my channel because it's lit. And yes, thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned this. I hope if you wanted to do this, you do it, because don't be scared. I was scared and it came out great. Okay, eyebrows on fleek. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm just so happy this came out so well. Thank you, Jesus. I give you all the praise. I give you all the honor. I give you all the adoration. Thank you, Jesus. Bye, y'all. Love you.